Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Chetan Kumar NG. So today I'm going to share you some aspects about pulmonology which is very relevant in today's pandemic post-COVID. So everyone has come to know who is a pulmonologist, what is the value of being a pulmonologist and its effect on the mass public health. So majority of our airway disorders consist of asthma, COPD, bronchiectasis, tuberculosis, interstitial lung diseases, sarcoidosis. So majority of the patients till now used to consult a general practitioner wherein they used to take some oral medicines or on the counter over the counter medicines. So precision care in airway diseases was not very much well known to the mass in general for the public of India. So as the pulmonology aspect has been growing among the health in the medical colleges, in the hospitals, more and more people are recognizing the specialty of pulmonology today. So where the precision care for lung disorders are much more required. So wherein post-COVID, especially treating a viral illness based on their symptoms is much more required in today's time, because majority of the patients are confused based on the reports, based on whether they need to get admitted or not. So the symptomatic approach, the scientific approach comes into place in treating a viral pneumonia, and the same thing applies in all other airway disorders. Whether it's an asthma, we have to differentiate whether it's a persistent asthma or a seasonal asthma. And COPD, as you all know or might not know, it is the second leading cause of death after heart diseases in India. So put together, asthma and COPD consists of nearly 10 crore of the population suffering from it. So we need to emphasize on this airway disorders in large to the public. So all these things we are doing general awareness camp and treating effectively all the patients who have been coming to the hospital. So I once again thank you all